guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to install this aptoid, this one right here. This app you can download it, everything that you want. But so if you want to download the app, first go to your internet, then search right aptoid right here, and click on it. The first one. So actually you can see right here, they click download, install, and click right here, but I can't because I already download. You need to click this app, but I can't. Let me cancel. There we go. Let me go show you how. Actually, you can see this one. Download. Go to your attachment. Go click PSP Gold. PSP Gold. See, it's $5.99. So let me go show you how you can download it for aptoid for free. So and go right here, search and download and type ppsspp gold, and then it's right here. It's install, and see this install. Then I will go direct to install. It's coming. Alright, when you finish, click install, and it actually gonna be like that. Like that. So you can see this in open. Then I click done. Go back to your home. Click it right here. It's right here, and put it right there, and click on it. It's coming, and go check everything. See everything is okay, and go. And let me show you how to download the games. Go back. Go type on internet. Type PSP share right here, and click the first one, and go down. But I actually can see more games right here, but I need to download again. Let me go. Let me type again. Let me download this one. Continue, and scroll down. PS. What? Let me download this. No, this one. read, keep on reading, and download it for free. PSP game, and kindly click here and go.